So it's that time of year again, and I'm shopping for health insurance for our employees again. And we still have one employee that's a smoker, and that means that our insurance rates are going to be higher. But then I stop to think, why is smoking even legal anywhere? Do you know how many cigarettes are made in this world every year? You probably don't. The answer is 6 trillion. Not million, not billion, trillion. That means you could build and fill the Empire State Building 60 times every year with cigarettes. Now, what's wrong with having 60 Empire State Buildings built with cigarettes? Well, you forget that then you burn it. Can you imagine for a second, would the EPA ever allow 60 Empire State Buildings of cigarettes to be burned? No, they would call that a massive threat to world pollution. Yet, just because we distribute